I just bought this truck right here. I'm bringing it back. You know, mine was wrecked, so I'm replacing it with this. I want this style. You know, mine was similar to this, but this all-wheel drive. This is Denali. I got the front end conversion that I'm gonna put on this one. I was gonna put on my last one, so it's pretty nice. It's pretty clean. It just been sitting for a while. That's all. It's nice. It's very low miles. I'm gonna drop my engine and the transmission and all this. It's real nice. Denali. They only made these models in 2 years, so I'm just replacing it with. It's the same year as the other one.
The same design on the weed pack.
Look,
We're gonna be smoking
just the
LaVille.
seats need to be.
Protect this shit to the next
covers,
level, man.
they need to be replaced. Everything else is.
Yeah,
cool.
drop them. Yeah, let's go, man. Drop them fucking LaVilles, man.
Very, very, very low miles.
IG scrolling at the bottom. It's the same as the YouTube, man. 357 Broadway. Whoever said they were selling them little toys before, hit my IG. I need to know how much I gotta spend to get them. I gotta know how much I gotta spend to get them, man. There's gonna be some new shit. There's gonna be some shit that motherfucker ain't never seen on here before, man. We gonna break the scale with it, man. We seen it here first. This video